In this video, I'll show you how to change the country location in the Google Chrome browser. Let's get started. For desktop users, open your Chrome browser and go to google.com. Click on Settings. Click on Search Settings. Navigate to Other Settings. Click on Language and Region. Click on Results Region. Select your preferred country. Click Confirm. To change your language, click on Display Language. Select your preferred language. Click Confirm. For mobile users, open the Chrome app. Go to google.com. Tap on Settings. Tap on Search Settings. Tap on Other Settings. Tap on Language and Region. Tap on Results Region. Select your preferred country. Tap Confirm. To change your language, tap on Display Language. Select your preferred language. Tap Confirm. So, now you know how to change the region in the Google Chrome browser.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.